Enhancing productivity with Plod Note AI. For anyone constantly on the move or drowning in back-to-back meetings, Plod Note is quietly changing the way notes get done. About the size of a credit card, this device doesn't just record conversations, it transcribes, summarizes, and organizes them into clean mind maps and actionable to-do lists. Whether it's a quick call on WhatsApp, a Zoom briefing, or a brainstorming session in a noisy cafe, the Plod Note captures it all with crystal clarity, up to 30 hours on a single charge. It supports over 112 languages, making it especially useful for professionals working across borders. Real-time transcription in multiple languages isn't a future feature, it's already built in. And with 300 free AI transcription minutes each month, the entry point is easy. Those needing more can opt into affordable unlimited plans, scaling effortlessly as needs grow. Its magnetic design allows it to snap onto phones or laptops without fuss. Even more impressive are the advanced features packed into the companion app: speaker labels to track who said what, instant audio trimming, and seamless exporting. This isn't about recording for the sake of it, it's about turning spoken chaos into organized, actionable clarity with zero manual effort. For productivity, it doesn't get much leaner or smarter than this. If you're serious about building income streams without showing your face, investing in expensive gear, or creating original content from scratch, this is your window of opportunity. Clipping is working now, and those who start early are the ones reaping the big jest rewards. Whether you're in it for the views, the affiliate sales, or building a long-term brand, it's all within reach. If this helped spark ideas or gave you real value, make sure to hit that like button. And if you want more insider strategies on how to turn short-form content into long-term income, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming. The core concept, the AI-powered flywheel. Let's start with the big picture. I call it the AI-powered flywheel. It's a system that once set in motion, keeps generating results with less and less effort from you. Here's how it works in 4 simple, repeatable steps. Step 1, AI-driven idea generation. Most people fail before they even begin because they jump into oversaturated niches. AI changes that. With tools like ChatGPT, you can instantly research high-demand, low-competition topics. By typing prompts like, generate 10 trending video ideas in the personal finance niche with high CPM rates, you get ready-to-go content ideas that actually have earning potential. Step 2, automated content creation. This is where AI does the heavy lifting. Instead of staring at a blank screen, you let ChatGPT write engaging scripts. 11 Labs then turns that script into a natural-sounding voiceover, while Midjourney or other AI tools create visuals. Add some free B-roll from sites like Pexels, and suddenly, you've got a professional quality video without touching a camera. Step 3, strategic monetization. Ads are nice, but they're just the beginning. The real money comes from affiliate marketing and digital products. Imagine reviewing an AI tool in your niche and dropping your affiliate link, suddenly every view is a potential commission. Step 4, growth hacking with AI. You don't just upload and pray. With AI, you optimize everything: titles, descriptions, thumbnails, even video length. The result? Videos that actually get discovered by YouTube's algorithm and keep pulling in views long after you hit publish. That's the AI-powered flywheel, ideas, content, monetization, growth. And once you put it in motion, it keeps spinning. The blueprint, step-by-step implementation. Alright, now let's get practical. Here's the exact blueprint to turn this from theory into your own income-generating channel. Step 1, niche selection and research. This is where most beginners fail, they pick niches that are already flooded. Gaming, beauty, and tech reviews might sound appealing, but the competition is brutal. You'll get buried before anyone even sees your content. Here's where AI becomes your secret weapon. With ChatGPT, you can instantly brainstorm profitable niches. Try this exact prompt: generate a list of 10 high CPM YouTube niches for a faceless channel in 2024. For each niche, suggest 5 trending video ideas. Boom! You'll get suggestions like personal finance hacks, AI and technology tutorials, health and productivity tips, motivational success stories, minimalist lifestyle guides. These niches are evergreen, meaning they won't die out in a few months. And with CPMs often hitting $10, $15, or even $20, your revenue per view skyrockets compared to lower-paying niches like gaming or pranks. Here's a golden rule: pick a niche that not only pays well but also keeps you curious. If you find the topic boring, you'll quit before the algorithm even notices you exist. Step 2: the content creation pipeline. This is where the fun begins. Let's build your video pipeline step by step. 1. Scripting with AI. No more blank page syndrome. A simple ChatGPT prompt like, write a 1,000-word YouTube script explaining how AI can help small businesses save money. Include an engaging intro, 3 main points, and a call to action. ChatGPT spits out a complete script in minutes. But here's the secret: don't just copy and paste. Add your personality. Crack a joke. Throw in a surprising fact. That human touch makes your video stand out. 2. Voiceover with 11 Labs. Hiring a professional voice actor can cost $50 to $200 per video. 11 Labs does it for a few dollars with realistic, emotion-filled voices. You can pick from different tones: energetic, calm, authoritative, depending on your niche. 3. Visuals with AI plus stock footage. For footage, grab free B-roll from Pexels, Pixabay, or Videvo. To add uniqueness, generate custom AI images with Midjourney. For example, if your script talks about AI robots helping doctors, prompt Midjourney to create a futuristic hospital scene. Now you've got one-of-a-kind visuals. 4. Editing with CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Drag your voiceover in. Layer the visuals. Add subtitles using auto-caption tools. Within a few hours, you have a polished video that looks like it came from a professional studio. And here's the best part: once you master this pipeline, creating a full video can take less than 3 hours. Monetization and revenue stacking. Let's talk about the money. AdSense is the obvious first step. But here's the truth: relying only on ads is like trying to fill a pool with a dripping faucet. You'll get there eventually, but it's painfully slow. That's why smart creators stack income streams. Affiliate marketing. Let's say you're running a channel about AI tools. Every time you mention 11 Labs, Jasper, or Midjourney, you drop an affiliate link in your description. One viewer tries it out, you earn a commission. Scale that over hundreds of viewers, and suddenly you're making $100, $200, even $500 extra per month. Digital products. Once your audience trusts you, launch a simple ebook or a short course. For example, if your channel is about personal finance, sell a $15 guide on 10 AI tools to save money. With just 20 sales a month, that's $300 alone. That's the power of revenue stacking. Your income isn't just one stream, it's a river. The growth engine, SEO and optimization. Uploading a video without optimization is like opening a store in the desert. Nobody's coming. Use AI tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to research keywords. Craft titles that spark curiosity and descriptions packed with relevant keywords. For thumbnails, Canva plus AI art is your best friend. Make them bold, emotional, and impossible to ignore. Remember, thumbnails are the front door to your video. If nobody clicks, nothing else matters. The proof, the math and the reality check. Let's break down the math so you see how achievable this is. Say your niche has a $10 CPM. That means for every 1,000 monetized views, you earn $10. To hit $300 a month, you need 30,000 views. Sounds like a lot. Not really. That's just 1,000 views per video if you upload daily for a month. And here's the kicker: once a video is uploaded, it keeps working for you. Your content becomes a digital employee, pulling in views and income 24/7, even while you sleep. Need proof? Search YouTube for faceless channels in niches like finance, AI, or motivation. Many of these channels are racking up hundreds of thousands of views with zero on-camera presence. But here's the reality check, it's not a magic button. You won't make $300 tomorrow. Consistency is the secret sauce. Upload regularly, improve with every video, and the algorithm will reward you. AI makes the process 10 times easier, but it still takes patience and effort. The call to action. The future of YouTube is faceless, automated, and powered by AI. The only case tie-in is, will you take the first step? Because that first $300 is not just about the money, it's proof you can build an income stream on your own terms. If this blueprint sparked an idea for you, hit that like button, it tells YouTube this is worth sharing. And if you're serious about building your own AI-powered income stream, make sure to subscribe. Each week I'll break down the exact tools and tactics to help you turn clicks into cash. Don't just watch others win, join the journey.